Welcome back, Sarah. We're so happy to be packing your fourth order with us. This time you requested a beautiful bundle in shades of violet and pink with hints of teal and aqua, and I absolutely loved bringing your vision to life. I also made sure to leave out the bookmarks, stickers, hair accessories, booklights, and tabs just the way you requested, so every item is picked with you in mind. Thank you so much for coming back again and again, Sarah. Your support truly means the world to us, and I hope you love every single piece in your custom curated bundle.